Holiness is the fruit of grace. Isithelo somusa. Dlamini uyithatha phi leyo nto? Lithi iBhayibheli negazi lakhe senziwe njani? Sincwelisiwe. Uyabona konto yenzile la? No, it was because of the work of grace that you were, I guess I was made. Yeah, lithi iBhayibheli you were made holy. Nenziwa nabangcwele two, nenziwe ukulunga. You are made the righteousness. Uyabona? Simukele lokhu ngenxa yokusebenza komusa. So makuthiwa umzalwane ulungile, it's not ngoba khona izinto azenzayo, khona izinto angazenzi. Ulungile ngoba wenziwe olungile. Ungcwele ngoba wenziwe ngongcwele ukuthi ube ngcwele. Now ke umbuzo usuthi ke so mfundisi, just because holiness ayihlangene nokuthi ngenzani, ayihlangene nokuthi nginobani kanjani. So what do you say? Do you mean I can do however just because I am made holy, just because I am made righteousness? No. When you say mawuqala uthi angisabhemi, ukuqala kwakho ukungafuni ukubhema akukwenza ube ngcwele. You were whole ubhema. Lezo ngisusela umsindo kodwa ke we need to be correct scriptural. Izongisusela umsindo kubantu be-religion, but it's fine. Ungcwele uphuza utshwala, you are holy. But mawusuqala uthi I'm taking a stand now. Yabona? I will no longer drink alcohol. I will no longer smoke. What are you doing now? You are responding to the holiness of God that is at work already kuwe. As a result, irresponse yakho to this working holiness iyona ke qala ekwenza ukwazi ukukhuluma ilanguage ye-victory. Iyona ekwenza uqale ukhuluma ilanguage ye-blessing. Iyona eqala ikunike ilanguage yama-breakthroughs in life. That is why you are made holy, but ngoba uyaqhubeka nezono uzohlupheka uzunuke.